described, in case of emergency, please ask the cabin crew to reseat you. Sa mga panauhing nakaupo sa exit rows, basahin po lamang ang passenger briefing card. Kung sa inyong palagay ay hindi nyo magagampanan ang mga panuntunan ng exit row, ipagbigay alam sa inyong cabin crew sa mga sandaling ito.
Hello everyone and welcome to your Cebu Pacific flight where we make moments happen with you. This is flight 50964 and we are bound for Manila only guys for this flight to Manila. If you have a different flight number or destination, then call your cabin crew for assistance. Also for everyone's health and safety, please be informed that the Philippine regulations require guests on public transportation to wear face masks at all times. And guests requiring assistance may press the telephone button. Thank you and have a fun flight with us. Also, may we request everyone to kindly safeguard all of these items, especially hard objects such as devices inside your luggage before storing it. In line with this, please take caution in securing your carry-on luggage and then opening the bins to prevent items from falling off. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. From the flight deck, this is First Officer in Welcome aboard 95J96.
Listo.
Flight deck is from the Day 4,000 feet.
Your bag under the seat.
Weather and route is forecasted to be safe, but the weather conditions require